We covered the 4 injury awards. Most doctors, and believe it or not, a lot of attorneys only think there's medicals. I actually had an attorney say that the impairment rating isn't important or relevant. An attorney actually said that. Now, as soon as the attorney said that, what did I tell you you need to say in your mind? As soon as the attorney says something clinical, and especially if it's not right, what did I tell you you need to tell yourself immediately? They're in a state of unconscious incompetence. And is the likelihood that you're going to be able to just blurt something out and change their belief system immediately? No. You're going to have to stair-step it to shift their consciousness from unconscious incompetence to conscious incompetence. How valuable is an impairment rating relative to an injury award? Huge. Is it more valuable to an injury award software or a jury? A jury. Why?
Because they can relate to that.
Emotional appeal. Emotional appeal. So, medicals. What did I say your documentation should bring for the injury award? You're not doing 3 the award. I hate to say it, you're the problem. It's probably not your bill. It could be, but it's probably not. It's probably you got low sensitivity, low relevancy documentation. Number 2 is the impairment. Number 3 is the pain and suffering. And then number 4 is the prognosis and need for future care. You're going to know how, not only to document these, you're going to know how to explain to the attorney how your documentation is going to convert medicals into money, impairment in the money, pain and suffering in the money, prognosis and need for future care in the money. I'm telling you right now, that's a standalone sale right there. That topic is a standalone sale without my educational sale system. Because that's what they do. It's all about the injury award. How does it happen? How does it work?